Yeah, I got my Wolfpack gym bag. Just going to put my regular shit in there. Coach Daryl. We got three, not one, but three pairs of men's posing trunks for the men's physique class. And the reason is, you got a prejudging in a finals. You might want to change them up. You might spill shit all over it. You might get your tan on it. It is a great idea to make sure that you try the shit on closer to the show, because as you lose weight, well, you want to make sure that the shit still fits. I've got boob tape. That's to tape down any excess skin that I've got, usually on my stomach, because I lost so much weight, the skin didn't quite stretch back. But I honestly don't think that I'll need it. Well, you'll see from the pictures, and you can be the judge. Tell me if I needed to have the boob tape or not. So let's go into the backpack here and dissect this shit for a little bit. I got 2 bottles of vodka. Take this before going on stage to help with vascularity, heat you up a little bit, relax you a little bit. So I'm going to have one the night before to help sleep, and then one prior to going on stage. So we've got 2. I've got a little mini portable traveling scale that I got that from Amazon to weigh my stuff at the hotel, so we don't have to bring around our bulky scale. I'm also going to bring my regular weigh scale as well, because I want to obviously check out what my weight is on the morning of competition to update my coach. I've got this little convenient cutlery pack. It's got a little knife, fork, and a spoon. Take that with me. And what else we got in here? My Redmond's Real Salt individual packages. I like these individual packages because they're measured in 1 gram amounts. So I don't have to worry about weighing salt or any shit like that, because they're all pre-done. Bottle of honey. That's going to go on the Rice Krispie squares that I will be eating on the day of the show. 2 or 3 Rice Krispie squares every few hours on the day of the show, all day long, with about 3 ounces of ground sirloin. So I'm not using ground beef, I'm actually using ground sirloin steak. So on the Rice Krispie squares, where do we got those? They're in here somewhere. I got like so many of them. Towel for Backstage. Gatorade Zero for after the show to replenish the electrolytes. Regular Gatorade, if I have any cramping or any sodium issues, I can have regular Gatorade at the show. Look at these little gems. Rice Krispie squares, yes brother. 2 or 3 of these at a time. Spread on some almond butter, a little light layer of smooth, creamy, natural almond butter. As you can see, it's a whack of calories, 90 calories a tablespoon. Going to top it off with salt and honey as well. So that's going to be my meals. We got peanut butter in case I run out of the almond butter. And that's the Backstage kit, my friends. What else we got here? My vitamins and minerals for after the show. IM8. Bunch of water. Just going to be drinking spring water that day. And that's about it. So let's check in with you a little bit later. And we'll see where we're at.